It's exactly what you want for a little router PC. Plenty of power, works great with my gigabit internet connection. Having real Intel LAN ports is a real plus. The thing is tiny and makes no sound, and barely even gets warm. It came with pfSense, but it took me about 5 minutes to switch it over to Sophos UPN. The BIOS is a regular one with tons of options, including the ability to specify whether or not it should power itself on when the power is applied. The only thing that is a bit odd is the VGA port, in this day and age of HDMI and DVI on DisplayPort. However, I guess a lot of server stuff is still on VGA, and I only needed the video out for about 10 minutes to get everything set up. This thing make an awesome router if you know how to work with pfSense, which comes pre-installed. It's faster and way smaller than the clunky old Dell desktop that I was using for an emergency router before. Having 4 Ethernet ports gives you plenty of options for WANs, LANs and VLANs. My particular use case was one WAN and 3 networks that had to be physically separated, but you could also use it for multiple WANs coming into 1 or 2 internal networks. Add to that you can program VLANs with the pfSense and you have a multitude of options for setting up some pretty sophisticated networks. It seems to be fast enough, too, to handle multi-gigabit throughput. Love it. We'll buy more. I bought this to finally build out a Linux server to run my home network. I personally went with ClearOS instead of pfSense, and it's worked wonderfully. I paired it with a UniFi access point. The onboard Wi-Fi isn't powerful enough to be a real option to be used as a Wi-Fi AP, a switch, and 2 ISPs. ClearOS supports connection failover, and everything is working flawlessly. Click the link under this video for more details, reviews and current pricing.